This video is sponsored by TurboLogo. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a logo for free. After watching this video, you will be able to make logo like these, just using your browser. So, let's get started. We are going to make our logo in just 5 steps. Step number 1. Go to the TurboLogo website. I have attached the TurboLogo website link in my video description. Step number 2. Provide information about your business. Choose your business category. I have selected the cafe. Step number 3. Choose color inspiration. Pick your favorite color plate among these. I have choose these 3 color plate. Step number 4. Choose icons for your logo. You can pick maximum 5 icons that is related to your brand. I have selected these icons for my logo. Step number 5. Browse logos in the logo generator, and select the best one for your brand. After select the logo, you find this page, where you can customize your logo. You can change logo color. You can change your logo font. Also, you can move your logo elements like that. After done everything, you can see how your logo look like on various mock-up. Now time to download your logo. You can download various file of your logo, like PNG, SVG, PDF, and also vector file. You can download unlimited logos from this site. The most interesting part of this site is that you can also make others designed from TurboLogo, like personal card, business card, envelopes, letterheads, and wallpapers. For that, just go to Brand Kit and the Select Business package. Now provide here the accurate information of you and your company. After completed that, just click Save Information. And then, you can see, everything is ready for you. Here is ready for you personal card. Ready for you business card. Ready for you envelopes. Ready for you letterheads. Ready for you wallpaper. Also you find here, social covers, and social profiles.